Money affects every part of our lives, from the coffee we buy every morning, to the big dreams we plan for our future. But most of us were never really taught how to manage it the right way. That's why I created this channel, to make personal finance simple, practical, and something you can actually use in your daily life. Here, you'll learn everything from how to budget and save better, to understanding investments, avoiding debt traps, and even how global events affect your money. All explained in an easy, visual way. My goal is to help you take control of your money, build financial confidence, and make smarter decisions for your future. So if you're ready to get smarter with money, hit that subscribe button, and let's start this journey together.